Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriel the Mechanic. In this channel, I will be showing you how to repair, service and understand motorbike engines step by step. So this is the CG motorbike engine. I have already opened it and now I am arranging from gear side. You must find the free gear, then you continue to a kick shaft. After finishing with the gears, you can put the kick shaft. After finishing with gears and the kick shaft, I will continue with putting crankshaft. You see that is a new one. That's the new one. The old one was have a problem. You see that also. You see we have finished kick shaft and gears. We have already finished it. It's now good. You see those gears and the crankshaft already. We have already put it. First of all, you must put those free gears to find a free that you can put that crankshaft and continue with it. And then finishing with the crankshaft, and then we can cover the engine side to continue. This was the problem that make us to change the crankshaft. You can see the difference from this new crankshaft and the old one. You see that moondog.